All right, let's recap my trades here on May 17th, 2022. Traded a couple stocks, 5 different stocks actually, but focused on AUVI and PPSI. So let's review those. Finishing the day up $146.68. Pretty solid. Very happy with that performance for a week, kind of like a weekday. So let's look at PPSI first. This was going strong into the open. We had resistance at 420 and 410. There's a low float. We've traded this many times before. I've traded this so many times in a sim. I kind of know how it feels. So I bought my first position at 411 on this huge strong candle pre-market, looking for the break at 420, 1,000 shares, and then we kind of rejected this level, which was I wasn't really expecting actually, and we got this pullback, and I thought that we just had this 1 minute pullback until we broke out, but that never really came. So I started unwinding my position for about break even or a small loss. I was just in so much on this pullback. I just had to kind of manage my risk and start selling my position. I was in over $4,000, so that's a lot for me actually. And then I waited till the open. We had a huge flash down on the open candle, which is like my favorite setup. I love that 1 minute candle immediate flash down because it's almost always a panic dip buy setup. And so I always put it in my starter and I wait for the buyers to come in. And then I start adding with those buyers and it reclaims this whole level and starts pushing 410, 412, and that's when I start taking my profit. I'm not waiting for it to break out. It's just such a weak market. I just need to take my profit. And on 1,200 shares, over $4,000 position size, I make 6 cents. That's really solid for me. Here again, kind of scalping, looking for the break of 420. It's holding the VWAP, so that's why I was a little bit bullish on it. So I was in 600 shares. Added 200 and then enclosed it for break even as these tails are just not really holding up and just kept kind of selling off. Did some bottom bounces here for the reclaim of the 9 EMA, maybe seeing some volume break VWAP and maybe seeing that red to green like we did on Viru on last Friday. Or is that 2 Fridays ago? I forget. Viru is at $17.20 though now, so it's pretty unreal. That happened. Tomorrow, Viru may be $20. I have no idea, but I didn't trade Viru at all. The other stock I traded was AUVI, another low float former runner. I thought this would make a big move. FOMO'd again into the same candle that it did on PPSI, and then it pulled back, and I closed it for a small loss to manage my risk. It just didn't have any continuation. Pretty much a false breakout up here. And then at the open, we held the VWAP here. We dipped below and held the VWAP, and then breaking out. This is where I start adding higher for the breakout. On the breakout, I take my profits. It pulls back, kind of does a consolidation period. Go for a quick trying to break out here, but it rejects. Took a 2-cent loss there. Reclaims, dips down below the VWAP and the 9 EMA, reclaims, and then rips up to 140. And I'm looking for that breakout again of 143 that it was before. And we got finally that move and on 2,000 shares, so that's pretty solid. 1 minute pullback, nice setup there. Then we kind of held the 9 EMA and moved higher, and then I was looking for a break at 150 because that was the next psychological resistance point. So I was adding as it was getting higher and higher, and I was in 2,000 shares again, and I took it off into the extension after the break at 150. And that was it, AUVI. So I also traded IDRA. I went for, I did a pre-market scalp here, the breakout 58, but it's a penny stock, not my favorite. And AGRI, I thought this would do some bottom bounce reversal. It's been one of our recent runners the past 2 days, so I thought maybe this could give a move. Who knows? Maybe this is going to give a move in the future. It's something that's getting high relative volume, so you really never know. Some stocks, that are getting volume and kind of breaking out, you always got to keep those on watch because you never know when it's going to have its day where it's just going to rip, and you definitely want to be ready to pull that up as soon as possible. You don't want to have that off your watch list when that happens. So that's AGRI. I'm definitely going to keep on watch. Viru is looking good. Viru is looking like it's going to break out of this 1750 level. It's really making a strong move here. I was trading it down here. Now it's up here. And now it's way up there. And who knows? It might break 1750 and move up to the next level, which is about, what is it, $24 or something? $24.57. That would be epic if it broke out there. Who knows? This Viru could be the start of a hot market. This could bring momentum back into the market. So who knows? We'll see what tomorrow brings. Hopefully better than today, but overall very happy with taking $146 today. Definitely a solid day. So tomorrow will be a new day. Same chance of being green or red. Previous results does not I don't even know what I'm saying. Previous results do not indicate future results or something. What I'm trying to say is that each day is separate, and that just because I had a green day today does not indicate that tomorrow is also going to be a green day, or if I had a stretch of 10 green days does not affect the chance of the 11th day being green or red. People think that when they play roulette, if it's been green for like 20 times in a row, they think the next time it has to be red. But statistics just don't work that way when it's in roulette. It's just that each roll is the same chance of being red and green, and that's how I'm able to have very strong green streaks, is because I go in just the same mindset as I do every day. Just thinking this is a new day. It's an equal chance of green or red. I forget what I call what the statistical name is called. Non-exclusive or something like that. Maybe someone will know. But yeah, each day is equal chance of red or green, and that's it. That's how I come in. It's like today's just a fresh day. It's his only day. Whatever happened yesterday does not affect today. Whatever happened last week does not affect today. That's it. Today is the day that could be green or red, and I've been having a nice strong green streaks lately, and that's definitely my mindset is proving to be very effective. So I'm just going to keep that up and moving forward. But that's it for me. I'll see you guys on the next day trading recap video. All right, peace. Oh, and also, if you were wondering what these are my new computer glasses. These are like gaming glasses. They're really good. I actually recommend these for trading. They're very high quality. It says there's no scratch, so that's good. These other ones that I have, these are so scratched up. My fingerprints keep getting on them. I can barely see through them anymore because there's so many scratches. I keep thinking I was going blind. I thought I was going blind, but once I put these babies on, I can see crystal clear. It's awesome. It does have an orange hue to it, but I kind of like it because it makes the light easier on my eyes. I just feel like everything is just more easier on my eyes, and who knows, we'll see tomorrow when I'm trading with these all day for 4 hours if the light is gonna affect my mind or my fatigue levels. Usually when I'm done trading, I am so like exhausted mentally that I need to lay down and take like a 30-minute nap. So we'll see if these help with that. Maybe I won't need to take naps anymore after trading. However, I do like my naps. The naps feel great. But we'll see if wearing these glasses affect my tired fatigue levels after trading. Because just staring at a bright screen, just does something to your head that makes it real tired. So hopefully these will fix it. And also, these are scratch resistance. So, you don't have to worry about getting scratches on them. And these, there's so many scratches I can't even see through them. All right, so that's it for me. I'll see you guys in the next trading recap. All right, peace.